All right. Okay. Let's drop it. Let's drop it. Let's hash it out. I told y'all already that I'm going to need to discuss this. There's no way that this can come on. I'm going to discuss it. So, okay. So, I especially need, today I especially need the people from Georgia, like for tapping right now. Like especially, I'm hoping we get a whole heap of people from Georgia because I need to see why we need an actual, why we need a tracker. And we can't get like a PI. And we need to know that. So more than anything else, that's mainly who. Check in. Let me see if we can check in right now. Check in. Welcome. Go in the chat. If you're from Georgia, please put Georgia in the chat. If you're from Georgia, just put Georgia in the chat. You don't even tell me where in Georgia, but if you're from Georgia, put Georgia in the chat because right now we need to hash this out. Come in. We need to get this. We need to get this thing situated. If you are from Georgia, please put Georgia in the chat. Put Georgia in the chat. Hello everyone, if you're from Georgia, put Georgia in the chat. If you come from Georgia, put Georgia in the chat. If you're living in Georgia, I want Georgia in the chat. There's a reason why, because guess what now? There we go. Thank you very much, Pamela. Thank you very much for that. If you're from Georgia, put Georgia in the chat. Because you, I think, hold a lot of the keys to what's going on here. If you come from Georgia, put it in the chat. That's right. Hello, chat. Hello. Who have the Coca-Cola shape in there? Come on in because we need to talk. Okay? We need to talk. We do need to talk. We have to talk today. And I have the time. Don't worry. Yesterday I had a little meeting. Somebody have to run go on meeting. Who else that? There we go. Marcia is from Georgia. That's what, a couple more people from Georgia. Who else from Georgia? If you notice, my state is California. So some of the things I think that I'm going to be off in how I'm looking at it. So if you come from Georgia, we need to know right now because we need to find out about the divorce laws them in Georgia. Right? So I pulled up something for us. I'm going to bring up some little videos because we need to talk. Because me say, I believe, it is my belief, right, that you should use the PI instead of a physical tracker. But some people are saying, no, O'Neal, she needs to use a tracker instead of whatever it is. And I got some really good comments. Let me just start by saying I got some really, really good comments from some people. Like they gave me reasons why they would use a tracker to track Anthony and Shayla. And I didn't accept it at first, but eventually when I started to see the chat and I saw what people were putting in the comments, and I'm going to give you the reasons why in a little bit. When people started to tell me why they were saying that, yes, O'Neal, we want to track them and why Brittany is correct in her assessment. And I'm not saying she's not correct. Don't get me wrong. She's illegal. I was just asking a question as to why the tracker and not something else. So I'm looking, I said, let me pull up Georgia's law because me never get divorced in a desert yet. Me never married somebody at Georgia before me. So me never get divorced in a Georgia yet. You understand? So because I've never been divorced in Georgia as yet. Because me never get divorced in Georgia yet. So because of that, I had to pull up this thing. The following grounds shall be sufficient to authorize the granting of a total divorce. Intermarriage by persons within the prohibited degrees, and it's showing you that. Mental incapacity, so it's not that. Impotence at the time of the marriage is not that. Force, menace, duress, or fraud in obtaining the marriage is not that. Pregnancy of the wife by a man other than the husband at the time of the marriage. Okay. Unknown to the husband. This may be Hold on. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. I see now what you guys are talking about. So some people said that she need the tracker, and Brittany was bringing up the fact that they need to find out about the baby, which probably could tell me why. There you go. Which probably could tell me why. I understand the idolatry in either of the parties after marriage. Okay. That's one. So that's one gross. We know that that has occurred. That's there. Willful and continued desertion by the other party for the term of 1 year. I don't think they've gone a year yet, so that can't apply. So that part can't apply. Where are you guys? Yes, guys, hit the like button, please. Hit the like button, please. We're talking about this. Let's discuss this because people gave me suggestions. I didn't understand why they were giving these. And as a matter of fact, I want to know what the platform for. The platform is so that you guys can tell me what you think and I tell you what me think. And of course, we make joke out of it. But nonetheless, I'm telling you, this is why I said that this series teaches me so much. Sometimes it's not even funny. Like the series really, really teach me because I would have thought something else right now. I'm telling you guys the truth. So I pulled this up for us, right? Let me make it bigger. Let me make it bigger for you. I pulled this up. There it is. This is from the Georgia law in terms of grounds of divorce. Habitual intoxication. We know he wasn't drunk all the time. So that is not it. Then there was incurable mental illness. So it's not that. So 11 is out. Cruel treatment, which shall consist of willful infliction of pain, bodily or mental, upon the complaining party. So I don't know if you can put that in. That would be, you would have to prove that part. So I think that they're at number 6. So which number? Let me see this now. Anthony's been avoiding Amber for a full month. For a month, but he needs to do it for a year. He needs to avoid her for a year in order for us to go for that one. So based on the numbers, what number would you choose? What number? Let me type it in the chat. What number will you choose for the divorce? Which number you choose for the divorce? Come on, guys. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. Which number you're choosing? Which number you're choosing? Give me something for the divorce. Give me something for the divorce. What number you're choosing? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What number you choosing? Come on, give me a number. There you go. Okay, number 6. And number 10. Hey, 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 cruel treatment. Hey, hey, hey. I think we get that wrong a while ago. Which number we choosing? Number 6? Alright, number 9. Hey, 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 skip a long time. Number 7. Somebody said number 7. Hold on. Somebody said number 7. Number 7. Reginald said number 7. I like the number 6 so far, which is the adultery. We know the adultery has happened because Anthony has confirmed the adultery, right? Not only Anthony confirming the adultery, we know the adultery happened. Number 1. And we know, but number 7 puzzling me because that says willful and continued desertion of either of the parties for the term of 1 year. In other words, he would have to desert her for 1 entire year. In other words, she have to not see him at all for 1 year. She saw him the other day, which means that the clock would start back over. That's how I'm interpreting the law. If there's any legal person that is in my chat room right now, fact check me, please. Don't feel any way, fact check me. That's generally how I know the clock starts from a professional standpoint. Once me see you, the clock restarts over. 55,000 a month for alimony. Edward, that's so much you want to forget? Huh? That's how much you want her to forget. That's how we know about that. So number, okay, so number 10, let's see. Cruel treatment. Number 10, let's see, 6 and 7. Yes, 7 also, I overlooked it, but hasn't been long enough. I don't think it's number 7. Guys, I cannot rock with number 7. I think number 7 is out. Number 7 can't be in there because it has not been that long. It has not been a year since that they have not seen each other. It has to be a year. He has to desert the house for a year. Unless there's a legal that wants to fact check me, I'm certain that is correct. I'm quite certain that's correct. But me like number 6, and let's see number 10. Cruel treatment, which consists of willful infliction of pain, bodily or mental, upon the complaining party, such as reasonably justifies apprehension of danger to life, limb, or health. So the question is, has she been going to like a therapist where she can show times of her having issues, meaning times of him emotionally abusing her? Can she show that? Because that would be the evidence. In other words, it's like, okay, let me give you what I'm saying. This feels to me like when you're in a scenario of custody battle. When you're in a custody battle scenario, right? For social workers, you need what is called an evaluation of report. There's like an evaluation that you do of the particular scenarios of a situation. You do a custody evaluation. And so you have to show plausible cause. You have to show a plausible cause. You can't just say, well, him was, he wasn't the best father. Why wasn't he the best father? Did he not take her to school? Do you have witnesses that can witness that? Those are the things that come with that. So that's why that one is a little bit tricky. It's harder to prove. Unless there is a lawyer on the inside my comments, inside the comments, unless there's a lawyer. Brenda said the lawyer can work with it. Number 14. Let me see if I can find number 14. Who said number 14? Let me see if I have number 14. Where's number 14? We're not on 14. We have 13. Habitual drug addiction, right? The marriage is, there we go. It's broken. A divorce on the grounds of less than. Okay. No, I think they're kind of weird. But I'm going to be honest with you. I think I like number 6. Me agree with number 6. Now, the thing is, Lord gosh. Hey. It feel like something I go right there, sir. It feel like something I go right there, sir. Well, I'm me on today. I'm me and everybody today. It feels to me like this is out. So let's revisit. Don't worry, we're going to come back to a little screen right here. So let me just revisit what Brittany mentioned. I just put them up here because I want us to talk. Because I want to talk. So let's get over to here. Let me bring this little screen itself down. Let's get down to when Brittany talked to her today. And Brittany mentioned these things. And I said, well, all right, me and the clique go and talk. Because I know me and the packer for go talk about this right here. No, we don't know it go. So let's reason this in.
If I do say so myself, I'm an awesome friend. A tracker, Brittany. That's damn Skippy. What am I gonna do with this? Amber, we're gonna put it on Anthony's car so that you can find out where he's going, what he's doing, and who he's dealing with.
All right, hold it there, sir. So the tracker go up on the car, right? So the tracker go up on the car, okay. Even though as in Jamaica, they would have say, a girl man a run you down, girl, and no fear your fall. Take him, girl, and no fear. A girl man a run you down, girl, and no fear your fall. Take him, girl, and no fear. A girl. So Shayla has taken the man. Shayla has taken the man, right? Now, let's go back to this tracking issue. So I said at first, when the tracker came out, I said no, I don't like the tracker idea. I said, you know what, the tracker idea is a bit too much. I feel like that's just you keeping too much tabs on a person. I never like the idea at all. But some people made some comments and them say, O'Neal, no. And then somebody even gave me like a personal thing about them having a divorce and they had to track their partner for find out information. I say, yeah, at them levels, eh? And they said, yes, O'Neal, I had to do the tracking because it need as much evidence as possible in the courts. I said, but there's already evidence that's there. So what more evidence could Brittany actually need? But then they gave me the most important piece. Them say, O'Neal, remember that Shayla and Anthony are liars. I'm say, Lord, me never remember that. me never realized. I swear. Me just realize, guys, that they are two of the liest people on earth. And the chances are, them going into court, can you imagine? What am I going to say? It wasn't me. I can imagine them going into court right now. Lawyer for lawyer. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creeping with a girl next door. Easy just like that. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom. And them not even that bang butt naked either. How can I forget that I had given her an extra? She did get a key. All this time she was standing there, she never take her eyes. Said she caught me in the bedroom. It wasn't me. So it's easy. I saw how easy it was for Shayla and Anthony to say, it wasn't me. And I said, okay, you have a point there, so because them lie for true. Them lie for true. You know what, guys? Dalen. I don't know if Dalen can be counted on right now. But, so the question is, if the tracker don't go onto the car, could they lie their way out of this, yes or no? I want you to put it in the chat. If the tracker doesn't go on the car, could they lie their way out of it, yes or no? Eh? Can they lie their way out of it? That's the question. Because a real thing, you know. It makes sense, you know. After all, how you feel have a woman access to your villa? Trespass and the witness all the clean on your pillar. You better watch yourself before you turn into a killer. Best if you the situation you end up in. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Can you imagine him convincing her? Never admit to a word what she say. Not admitting to a word because now it is her word against his. And if she say, yeah, you tell her, baby, no way. Says she caught me in the bedroom. It wasn't me. Lord gosh. Guys, I have to ask question right now. So I thought about this. Somebody reminded me of how much they are liars. I'm going to say, Lord, you're right. I could not negate what the person was saying. They said, O'Neal, think about it. It's Shayla and Anthony. And they're good at this stuff. Imagine you have two of them and it's one of Amber. The only other person that could come in and clear anything is really Dalen. Or no, Perjury. And they're not going to do that because they are loyal to Anthony. Which is rightfully so because if the table was turned, I'm certain Brittany not giving Amber up. And any other... Definitely not Ernestine. Definitely not Ernestine for sure. Definitely not Ernestine. So my concern.
Why? So I can be on my phone trying to obsess over where this man is. I'm trying to move on, Brittany. Like, really? A tracker?
But we need information when you go through the divorce. We need ammo. I'm telling you.
All right. So This was why I said no, because when I looked into Amber's thing, right? I'm happy for her that she has no. By the way, I'm happy for Amber. I'm happy that she stopped ball. The crying stopped now. I like it. I like that the crying has stopped. I'm put back up the little thing. The crying has ceased. And I'm happy for the crying stopped. Because if Amber never stopped crying, would I come back on and sing No Woman No Cry Again? But I'm glad she stopped crying. I'm happy that she has stopped crying, which is good. I'm glad that she stopped crying. So give me a number right now. I need your main number right now. What number are you choosing? But don't want two more. You know what? No, I have to get two. So the thing is, this is the deal. Number 5 can work if they can find out about Kai. It's a tricky one. Number 5 is a tricky one. But that one, me just realized that they could find this out. They could find out about number 5. I just realized that they could find out about number 5 under the right circumstances. Them can find out about number 5. Exodus. Movement of your people. Yes. Just like that. But Amber is moving on. She's moving on. I like how she move on. Exodus, that we call it in Jamaica. Yeah, man, yeah, move, man. Movement of the people. Glad you stopped the crying. 5 and 6. Babylon in position, the queen and set the pawn. Non-stop chance, I'm like Decepticon. Yes, Exodus. My girl Amber has decided that it's time to go on the move. I'm glad that she's on the move. She's up on the move. She's on the move. Alright, so people have number 10. So my thing with number 10, again, this is my grows with number 10. My grows with number 10 is how she going to prove that she was mentally mistreated. How she going to prove that? I can tell you guys right now, as a person who has worked in the social services field, you will have to have a trajectory of assessments to show this. Meaning, she would have had to be going to her counselor or her therapist, and they have been doing a lot of psychological assessments on her, giving her a diagnosis, and consistently be tracking her for her to prove she was mentally abused. It's one of the hardest things to prove. Mental abuse or mental health abuse then is very hard to prove, because you have to show a period of time. Time for the DNA. Time for the DNA. She is moving on. That's good. The good thing about Amber right here is that she is moving on. She stopped the crying. I am happy she stopped the crying. I know some people are flagging me and them say, O'Neal, you know what I mean, she have a ball, but no, too much balling, no good, man. Good God, come on. Too much balling. It was too much crying. Shayla mom is not going to allow this. Let's see what you guys have. Anthony is a loser. We know him is a loser, Nancy. We are asked, how him can lose. Which one? When you're coming to the chat, by the way, guys, if you're just coming in, thank you very much for coming in. If you're just coming in, choose a number. Look on the screen and choose a number. Let me write it in the chat. Look on the screen. Choose a number. Choose a number. Choose the number you think that Amber have the grows on, where she can ask for divorce. Choose me the number. Choose me the number. Choose the number, because we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Choose the number. Give me the number you have. Most people said number 6, and I can take a poll on this eventually. I can take a poll on it. I can take a poll on it. I like how she's getting over Anthony. She's getting over him, which is good. That's our media wants to see. Because the man gone. The man gone. The man, I said too much number them, can you? Miss Natalie said too much number. Oh, Lord, it's too... Choose a number. Can't read the numbers. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can make it bigger. I'm going to make the numbers bigger for you. I'm going to make the numbers bigger for you right here. I'm going to make them bigger. I'm going to make them bigger. Don't worry. Don't worry. You know O'Neal already. O'Neal like facts. O'Neal don't mind the speculation, but O'Neal like facts. No, mark you guys. Let me just preface this by saying I'm not giving any medical diagnosis today. And this is not a lawyer session. If you want legal advice, you need to get a lawyer. Me not a lawyer, please. I'm just using what Georgia's statute is saying. Your interpretation is dependent upon you and your legal expert. Just a disclaimer. I know I make it seem like me a lawyer. Me discussing it from a lawyer perspective. Me not a lawyer. But let's work this out. Wayne is not going to... So, okay. So the question is, if Wayne finds out about the baby, will Wayne help Amber with number 5? Will Wayne help Amber with number 5? That's my question. Will Wayne help Amber with number 5? Will she help him with number 5? Can Wayne help her with that? Because me know he's going to get the information from Perjury. I surmise he's going to get that information out of Perjury. So the question now is, will he help Amber with number 5? Tell me what you think. Like, will Wayne help her with number 5? Do you think he's still loving Amber like that? When I'm singing, I'm hot. I'm still in love with you, girl. Do you think he's singing that? Another dirty love. I'm still in love. You think that him a sing to Amber? With you, girl. Do you think he's singing that to Amber right now in his heart, that he'll help Amber? That's the question. Will Wayne help Amber? Does he love Amber that much? Does he despise Anthony that much to help Amber? That is your question right now. Alright, now sing the song. If Wayne still love Amber, put still love Amber in the chat for me. Put still love Amber. I want you to put in there still love Amber. I'm still in love with you, girl. Yes. Where you saying I love Amber? Who said that? Clarence? I want you to put in the chat, still love Amber. Still love Amber. Still love Amber. If Wayne still love her, if you don't believe so, say him don't love her. That's okay. I have a theory that him still love her. So, you let me know, does he love her or does he love her not? See it there? I'm still in love with you, girl. Yes. You think I not him a sing? I'm still in love with you, girl. And every night and every see when you come, you give me something and make you feel warm. I say you're not drunk, yeah, so you're just not performer now. Let me know, guys. Is he still in love with the good old Amber? Does he still want the good old Amber something, Does Amber have the glimity and glamity that Wayne loves? That is the question. The question is if Wayne still loves her. Because if Wayne still loves her, number 5 is a possibility. And my belief is that if number 5 can be cracked up, then that is gross. That is gross. Amber is the one. When you say Amber is the one, chemistry. Don't die like that, eh? Oh, Lord. Woo! Woo! Just like that, eh? Let me play it again for you because I don't think I joke. Where you say him love Imani? You think him love Imani? Hush. Wait a minute. Before you say another word now. You think him love her? Well, tell me, what can you do to stop a man from trying? You think we're going to try to be with her again? Nothing you can do to stop a man from trying. You see them lyrics, them lyrics that we are having in Jamaica, you know, because so we stay, you know. Everything have a song, you know. So you understand, everything have a song in Jamaica for us. Let me know what when it's, oh Lord, people saying him still in love. Who him love? You don't think him love Amber? Come on, guys, talk to me. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know, said I wanna know now. Nothing you can do to stop a man from trying. I wanna know, yes I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know, said I wanna know now. Nothing you can do to stop a man from trying. Who him love? Come guys, talk to me. Who is the first love? Erica? Alright, come on guys, come on. Let me put some names in the chat and you tell me, where is the love for Wayne right now? Who is the love? Is it Erica? Is it Imani? Is it Amber? Is it Sarah? Which one of the girls then? Come on guys, come on. Because I'm hearing too many different answers now. We must can vote on this. Let's vote on this one. Where's the love right now? I want to know where's the love. Where is the love? Where is the love? All right, let me see that. Okay, let me see what I go on. I'll put Rolanda in there. We say never love Sarah. Yeah, Sarah kind of shady taste. Not with that big broad smile and that sexy dress you wear. It's totally impossible for a man with eyes not to stare. There is no reason to be so uptight. Now you got everything alright. You should know by now you're every man's fantasy. Yeah, what can you do? Pure love lyrics another day, you know. Pure love lyrics another day. So you guys say, so we can agree on it that based on the love Wayne has for her, based on the love that Wayne has for her, chances are Wayne could be an assailant. Is that what it is? An accomplice then. In other words, Wayne could help her to take down Shayla. After all, Wayne does not like Shayla. You know what? I just realized something. Guys, remember this. Wayne does not like Shayla. And Wayne wants to see Shayla get retribution for Arby, especially. Am I lying, guys? Tell me if I tell the truth or not. Wayne does not like Shayla. This is a theory. Wayne don't like Shayla. And I think that Wayne wants to see Shayla get retribution for what she has done to Arby. Am I correct? Tell me if I'm right, guys. Come, tell me if I'm right. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. I'm still in love with Ro. More than Ro. Right now, Ro can't help us because Ro helping Anthony. Ro love Anthony right now. She not love Wayne. She don't love Wayne at all. She love Anthony right now. We can't rely on Rolanda. Am I correct? Am I correct that Wayne wants to see, based on the episode you watched the other night, where Shayla was dressed like a hooker, where she was dressed like a gold digger, okay? Based on that episode, is it safe to say that Wayne wants to see her get the retribution? Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. On my sound. On my sound, guys. Come on. On my sound. There you go. There you go. There you go. Me like that. 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 Okay. Wayne and Amber are equally young. I believe that too. Who said that? Nonya. Nonya, I do believe that as well. That Wayne and Amber have some connection. That boy, it is what it is. Them just have the connection. I think that Wayne is ready to pounce. Wayne just using PR as a stepping stone. I think PR is a stepping stone for Wayne. The main girl he's going after is Amber. I don't know what it is. Maybe Amber is just a little more, I don't know. She may be more steady. Maybe that's what it is. And he likes her more. That's what I get out of it. That's what I get out of it. I think retribution is the deal. And so because of that, we could have a scenario where we have potentially number 5 on the list, which is right here. Number 5 being something number 5 and number 6. And if they can get those 2 linchpins, that is how we're going to take down Mr. Anthony. Because now I'm seeing why Wayne don't like Shayla. You have to take her down, man. You have to take her down, man. You have to take her down, man. You have to take her down. You have to take her down, you know? You have to take her down. Hey. You have to take her down, you know? Dylan. I don't believe that Dylan is turning on Anthony. Oh, who said that? Let me see who said that. Dylan turning on Anthony. Let me see that. Wanda, I don't believe that. Wanda, I like what you're saying, Wanda, but I don't believe Dylan is going to change course. I think Dylan is going to stay the course and stay out of it. That's my belief in it. But I could be wrong. Don't worry, Wanda. I could be wrong because, hey, this is a guessing game at this point. We're really and truly just speculating here. But if I had to take a bet on it, as his friend, I don't think I'm going to give up his friend. I wouldn't give up my friend. I'm telling the truth. I'm being honest. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I don't want to lie to you. And I don't want you to lie to me either. You would not give up your friend. Unless it was a scenario where your friend was probably, say, bodily harming her, you're not giving up your friend. If it was bodily harm, then yes, I could have said that Dylan is someone to consider. But I don't think that Dylan will give him up in a circumstance like this, regardless of what's happening, especially after Amber already told him what she told him. But who knows? Maybe Amber could, pull the old switcheroo, the old blackmaileroo. Yeah, that could be the case. But hold on. Let's get into the meat of the matter, because the big piece of the puzzle is that PR knows. No, I don't know what can PR provide at this point in time, but she knows, and so now she has some very pertinent and valuable information that can help the case, because he has admitted to PR who could be Amber's witness.
So you remember when you asked me, was I Shayla's baby daddy, right?
Yes.
And I told you no?
Mm-hmm.
That's not exactly true.
What part?
All of it. I'm Shayla's baby daddy.
All right. So I thought of PR, and I said, PR being a woman, because normally, this is my thought, guy. I could be wrong. Normally, women bond together and they stick together. But there is something about PR that tells me that PR is not going to change course. Something tells me in my deep down in my spirit. Something tells me in my spirit that PR is not going to give up Anthony. Am I wrong for thinking that? Am I wrong for thinking that something tells me that PR is not going to give up Anthony? I don't know what it is. I can't explain it to you. But my spidey senses them tell me, say, she is not going to give up Anthony. Something tell me, say, she nah give him up no matter what. No matter what. No matter what. Something tell me she not giving him up. I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. I just. Something tell me say she not giving him up. No. Something tell me say them are gonna ask her questions. Amber said, hold on, Anthony. Your breeder, no master a name me. Your breeder, no master a name me. Your breeder, no master a name me. But the girl them say, I just love me, girl. I just love me, girl. I just love her. Something tell me say she not giving him up. Am I incorrect? Something tell me that PR not giving him up. Nope. Something tell me she's not giving him up. Something tell me that she's not giving him up. Something tell me that PR is not going to give up Anthony. Me feel like PR will more side with Anthony and do what she has to do, especially after the $20,000 gift, because Anthony is more of an asset than Amber is. That is my way of thought. If I'm wrong, put in the chat, O'Neal, you are wrong. Put it in the chat, O'Neal, you are wrong. Or put, O'Neal, you are right. Something tells me that PR is not going to give up Anthony because Anthony is more of an asset to her and Amber is a liability to her. If I'm wrong, put O'Neal wrong in the chat. If I'm right, put O'Neal right in the chat. No master enemy. No master enemy. That's what she's going to answer. And when the girl them say, I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. I want me, baby. You know me love you so much. Take your time, in a no rush. Talk to me. I see me go. She said me sweet feet, a donut. That's right. Money talk and BS walk. I just love you, girl. Yep. Them are gonna say, your breeder, no master enemy. No master enemy. No master enemy. When PR say, I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. I just. When PR say, no master enemy. She pregnant? No master enemy. No master enemy. When PR say, I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. I just love and just money you, girl. I just, whoa, Lord God, it's sweet. Talk to me. Somebody says she's another gold digger. Well, maybe so. You know everybody have a price out here. You guys know this. Come on, guys, don't act like you don't know that, you know? Don't act like you don't know that. None of you say me wrong? All right, no worries. All right. Okay. Nanya, tell me why am I incorrect? Why would PR give him up? Why would PR not say, you know what? I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. I just love you, girl. I just Tell me, Nanya, tell me why. Come talk to me. Come, Nanya, talk to me, man. Talk to me. Don't just tell me something wrong. Tell me why. If I'm wrong, Nanya, tell me why. Why am I wrong? Why am I wrong, Nanya? All right, let's see. Want to see Angelina? Me want to see Angelina in jail as well, too, because Angelina is dark and dangerous. So let's see, Nanya. Not going to jail. Nanya, you're wrong. They say, okay, you have to understand. If they are subpoenaed to court and they lie, they will face perjury charges. But I could say, I didn't know. Hold on. If she's subpoenaed to court though, if she's subpoenaed. That is if Anthony call her into question. So if Anthony call her, if she's Anthony's star witness. Let me ask you a question, Nanya. If she is Anthony's star witness, like in key witness, what do you think his key witness is going to say? For example, if Shayla gets on the stand and Shayla is to be talking based on what we now know, what do you think Shayla going to say? Remember, Shayla has stuck with the lie, And remember what Perry has said to him at the end of this episode. Perry told him that, Anthony, promise me you don't lie to me again. I'm your friend and I'm going to ride with you. This is what Perry said. Perry said, Anthony, I'm going to ride with you. She's a ride or die. Subpoenaed in court. Yes, I understand. No, I understand you. I've been summoned before. Yes, no, don't worry, Nanya. I understand you, but I wanted to get the context. If you watch this episode with Perry and Anthony, she consoled him. Number one, am I wrong, guys? She consoled him. That's number one. And number two, she told him, Anthony, just don't give me any lies going forward. Tell me the truth. If I'm going to rock with you in this time, just tell me the truth. Am I lying? Come, guys. Come on. Talk to me in the chat. Talk to me in the chat. Talk to me in the chat, guys. Talk to me in the chat. Talk to me in the chat. I know that's what I heard. Nanya, talk to me. Talk to me, Nanya. That's what I heard. And so that's why I don't believe that Pierre will be an accomplice for Amber. I think that this has now, the lines have been drawn, and the battle lines are Team Amber versus Team Anthony. And if you look on Team Amber, you have Brittany in the team, you have Ernestine in the team, you might have Jay in the team. The question is, where does Wayne swing? Because Wayne now is becoming a key to the entire thing, because I think Pierre is going to keep her loyalty to Anthony. Amber's witness. Yeah, Amber have witness. So Amber's witness. Okay, but who would she use? I don't think Amber going to, See that? You see what I'm talking about? Come on, guys. Me think you're going to say, no master and name me. No master and name me. What the girl them say? Come on, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me, guys. What do you think will happen? Come on, talk to me. Because if you ask me, this is what I feel will happen in Anthony's head. I've been really trying, baby, to hold back these feelings for so long. And if you feel yes, like I feel, baby, come on. Oh. Come on. Woo. Let's get it on. Cause the pum pum already gone. The pum pum already gone, no wonder. None of the pum pum already gone. Listen to me, man. The pum pum already gone. As far as Anthony is concerned, the pum pum already gone. He's been really trying, baby. Woo. All right, okay. I love this. Nanya says she works in criminal justice. Okay, I like this. Okay. You know what, Nanya? I know, see what you're... Okay, so Nanya, talk to me. So you work in criminal justice. Okay, and okay, let me see if I can read some of what you said. So PR would be a hostile witness in court. Okay, all right. I love this. You don't know... No, Nanya, I don't know the laws. The Georgia laws. I don't know them. I will tell you that much. So this is where I need to know here. you'd better not lie in court. But Nanya, my question is, haven't people lied in court before? Though? I'm just challenging and pushing back. Haven't people lied in court though, Nanya? Because I think that people have lied in court. Criminals gonna lie in court all the time. Them go in and them tell lie. Alright, let's see. Nanya, hold on. Nanya, me like you know, in the chat, you know, because the chat is appreciating it right now because you are giving us, you know what I mean? Hey, and we're holding at this. You're giving us some expert advice here. And you're saying that he won't lie in court. But what if he doesn't, what you call it now? What if he answers very minimally in court? Nanya, what if he answers very minimal in court? That's my question. That's my question right now. That's the big question of the entire thing. That's the big question. Yeah, I thought so too. I thought people lied in court too because, okay, let me give it from a Jamaican standpoint. If people didn't lie in court, then Jamaica's streets would have been cleaner. If people didn't lie in court, then, and Nanya, don't worry, I'm taking your point fully and I'm going to be reading the comments after I leave here because I read the comments a lot because I like to learn just as much as I think you like to learn as well. We're just discussing perspectives here. So let's work this out. If people didn't lie in court, then you'd have less criminality because the truth is a lot of these criminals would have just kind of gave themselves up. So I'm looking at it that way. Let me give you my little lens. Let me look at it. My little Marga lens. My little lens. So I can understand the cheating part and those pieces. But with the baby and those things, with certain of the details, it's like, no, he's putting the story that they're just talking. They're just going together. You don't think that they can orchestrate this around? You see me I talk about? So that's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. Lord gosh. Talk to me, Nanya. Talk to me. Come, Nanya. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Talk to me. Nanya, talk to me. I need you right now. They get charged with perjury if they get caught. I'ma believe that. Idiot, think that. I believe in Nanya, that's true. All me I say is that people lie all the time. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, that people lie all the time. That's all me I say, you know? So if they get caught, there's a fine, a possible, okay? Okay, so if them get caught, then that's it. All right, no problem, no problem. Brittany can push them for the truth. Okay, you mean like, are you talking about like when the lawyers say, you know, Your Honor, let him answer yes or no? Is that what you're talking about? Because my thing, you know, is if Trump can escape the law, and let me just say, if Trump can escape the law, and he has escaped the law, and I've seen a couple escape the law, that's my only little challenge with this. Because I've seen people gone in courtrooms and them lie. None of them tell really lie for true. They have lied in court. Lord, them lie. Pure lie, Nanya. Pure lie. Dalen should step up. So Nappy Child said Dalen need to step up. Boy, I don't know if Dalen want to get involved in it, you know. I think it's just like Dalen's imagination at this point right now. That's all I'm saying. So I like this. I like what's going on. The fly lawyer. You know what the fly lawyer? Okay. Who would you use? Would you use the fly lawyer or would you use Brittany? Who is the best lawyer using this? Which one of the lawyers would you use? If you were to take an attorney, which one would you use? Brittany, the fly lawyer, or Natasha? Let me write that in the chat right now. Talk to me, Nanya. Talk to me. I like when you talk to me. Which lawyer would you use? The fly lawyer, Natasha, or Brittany? One that say that it's different. I like that one. One that say it's different. The fly lawyer. Or even, you know what, I forgot that name. I'm so sorry. Or would it be Kendrick? Which lawyer? Come on, kids, guys. Give me a name. Who you got? Which lawyer you have? If you decide that, you know what, this is your case and you need a lawyer to defend you out of the Kountry Wayne series, which lawyer are you going for? Who is the most aggressive lawyer in here? Or Harvey? Because Harvey's a lawyer, you know. I'm not going to use it, but Harvey. Or Harvey. Which lawyer? One fly lawyer. Kendrick. Some people say Kendrick. Kendrick is a corporate lawyer. I like that. I like the distinctions here. I like the distinction that you're distinctly telling us what each one does. Talk to me. Brittany knows where the skeletons are buried. So Nanya says Brittany knows where the skeletons are buried. That's a very good point. Natasha needs healing. Brittany's a divorce. The fly lawyer. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. Well, I'm a judge lawyer too behind my own bench, man. Well, I'm a judge lawyer too behind my own bench, man. When you check it out, I go to my station. Mr. Circle up the Royal Fire on England. And when you're playing and you know what you know custom, this is only up in a different version. I mean, no go in no session. Let's sit cock and rum. And from facing me face, somebody ask some question. Anyway, they got them off rap pam pam pam. Where's the Trump? Talk to me, guys. Which lawyer are you using? Which lawyer you have? Which lawyer you have? Which lawyer you have? Talk to me, which lawyer you have? Which lawyer you have? Which lawyer you have? Talk to me, which lawyer you have? Them say Kendrick, a corporate lawyer. Fly one, a decent lawyer. Them say Natasha, a good lawyer, but she need healing. Anya, them say, need the lawyer. Them say Brittany is the real lawyer because she know when the bones very yassa. Woo! Lord God. Pull it up, selector. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Wheel it up. Wheel it up. Lord, me say, Lord, ya. Lord, ya, me say, lawyer, ya. What? Lord, ya, me say, lawyer, ya. Lord, ya, me. What them say? And them say Brittany all the way. Lord God. Woo! Pull it up, selector. Somebody say Shayla mom. Shayla mom and a liar. Wheel and come again, selector. Watch out, man. Where's the Brittany, the divorce lawyer? I may say we them want to go mash it up. I Brittany a liar fi mash it up. A dun da da dun da dun da da dun da da dun. Where you say Aunt may want to disqualify Brittany because she's very close. That's a good thing. Good thing that me like that, you know. Somebody bring that up. So Nanya, the question is, if Brittany is this close to Amber and she's involved in the entire situation, can she represent her, or is that a conflict of interest because she knows Anthony? That is the question. That's the question. Come on. Should Brittany be disqualified because she knows Anthony personally? Let me write that in the chat. Let me write that in the chat. Should Brittany be disqualified because she knows Anthony personally? There you go. There you go. That's the question. There you go. Some run the tune. How many? La de ya, I say la ya de ya. La de ya, I say la ya de ya. Talk to me, Nanya. Talk to me. Run in, Nanya, because we like the conversation in Nanya. Right now, you're making it hot. Oh, Nanya says she can't be disqualified. Okay, I see. I see. That's interesting. That's interesting. So Kendrick gets weak. You say Kendrick not good. Lord, yeah, me say Lord, yeah. Them say Brittany are the real liar. Them say come on, Nananya. Can't use up none of Tatasha. What? Lord, we'll come against selector. Hold on there. A big time thing of people. Talk to me. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. Should she be disqualified? Can she be disqualified? Talk to me. Well, if I go to them, I look for them, now if they find us, and know me, I'm a criminal, the rasa ever. A boy a scope out him right until him find some. Now him jealous of me, so shine and buff. I'm from him looking at me car now the interior blush. And I look up on the rims, so them pull out and say natty dreadlocks. Anthony, I tell you right now. Say Anthony, him no wear handcuff. Anytime I come that I fit diamond cuff. I say Colonial Royal, you're rougher than rough. Always stick together even. Pull up, wheel and come again. Nanya, talk to me, Nanya. Talk to me. Can she be disqualified? That is my question. Because I know that from my professional workings is that if I know a client, I tend to be disqualified in trying to do something with that client because I know the client. So the court can use it as I'm being biased. Rather than being objective, I'm being subjective. The court can say, no, O'Neill, you're subjective. You're not being objective. Money pull up. Don't judge me yourself. You come for money pull up. Brittany's ethical practice can be questioned. I like that. You know what? This is a good argument. So, don't worry. I'm going to leave the live right here. But me like it. Me love it. Me gonna leave the live right here. I now have some work to do, Nanya. Don't worry. I'm going to be reading right through the entire chat. That's 1 and 2. I'm going on the research on this one because this is an interesting argument that we're talking about here. But guys, don't worry. Thank you for joining the live. Want to know me? I'll come back on again. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm always going to come back on, entertain and talk because that's what we do on the channel. I talk to y'all soon. I soon come back.